Ever wondered how you could reduce waste and enrich your garden soil at the same time? Composting is an easy, eco-friendly solution that not only improves your garden's health, but also significantly reduces your carbon footprint. The answer is simple: start composting. Getting started with composting is easier than you think. The process involves breaking down organic waste, like fruit peels and coffee grounds, into nutrient-rich soil. There are two types of materials you'll need: green, such as vegetable scraps, which provide nitrogen, and brown, like dried leaves, supplying carbon. To keep your compost healthy, ensure a balance of these materials, plenty of air circulation, and just the right amount of moisture. Not too wet, not too dry. With these elements in place, you're ready to set up your compost bin. Now, let's convert those kitchen scraps and yard waste into garden gold. First, choose a location that's convenient but not too close to living areas. Start your compost pile with a layer of browns, leaves, branches, and straw for good airflow. Add a layer of greens, vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, grass clippings for nitrogen. Sprinkle a bit of soil to introduce composting organisms. Lastly, give your compost a good turn every few weeks. And there you have it. Your compost bin is set up and ready to go. Once your compost is ready, it's time to put it to good use. Knowing when it's ready is simple. It should have a rich, earthy smell and look like dark, crumbly topsoil. No original organic materials should be visible. Now, how to use it? Easy. Sprinkle it around your plants or mix it into the soil before planting. It's a wonderful natural fertilizer that provides nutrients and improves soil structure. With compost, your plants will thrive like never before. Composting is more than just a gardening technique, it's a movement. We invite you to share your composting journeys, pose your queries, and pass on your tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and join the composting community. Happy composting!